Welcome to Revive Rehab channel. Today we are going to talk about low back stretches to relieve low back pain. So I'm going to have these stretches are myofascial stretching, and so in order for the myofascial component of your body to release, you have to at least hold for 2 to 5 minutes, minimum of 2 minutes. I will not be holding it for 2 minutes, but please make sure you're holding it for a minimum of 2 minutes. So the first exercise or the first stretch I want you to do is place your hands on your knee. I want you to inhale, and as you exhale, I want your knees, so push all the air out of your lungs, and inhale, come back up, and exhale. You're just warming up your back for the stretches that are going to come. 3, 4, and go ahead and press your belly all the way. And 5. So I think 5 is good to just warm up your back. You could do more if you feel the need to do more, okay? The next stretch that we are going to do is basically going to stretch this area, which is the area of Quadratus Lumborum. So you're going to keep your feet apart, and I want you to twist your knees on the other side. Stretch your arm to the side. Now this is a basic QL stretch. Now if you want to make it a little bit more advanced, what you could do is you could lift this leg up and put the weight of your left leg on your right thigh, and that would stretch this area a lot more. And you hold this for 2 minutes minimum. If you can do it longer, you should do it longer. Okay? I am not holding it for 2 minutes, but you will. You should. And then you're going to do the same thing on the other side. So you're going to roll, put your leg up there, make sure your arm is nicely stretched out and your face is turned over on the other side, and you hold it for 2 minutes minimum. And you inhale and you exhale during the whole process. Please do not hold your breath. Okay, come back to neutral. Okay, the second one that we are going to stretch is the piriformis. Okay, so you're going to take your right ankle, put it in front of your left knee, and try to stretch this. And you're going to lift this leg up, and you hold this, and you push this at the same time. Another modification that I would like to tell, if you are close to a wall, I'm going to pretend I'm the wall. So your leg could be on a wall, and then you don't have to hold this, and you can concentrate on just this. And that is a really good stretch for the piriformis. You have to hold it for 2 minutes minimum. Okay, and you're going to come down and repeat on the other side. So let's go ahead and do this. Stretch this, and I'm going to be the wall if I'm modifying this stretch, and you hold it for another 2 minutes. So you come back down here. Now we want to stretch the psoas, which is this muscle. The psoas is probably the most important muscle that needs to be stretched when you are having a low back problem. So I'm going to come to this side so that you can see it better. I asked Kristen to come to the edge of the mat, straighten this leg. Okay, the first thing that you're going to do is I want her to, you're not aligned, let me align you a little bit. Okay, now tuck your tail in, which means you're flattening the lumbar spine. So tucking of the tail is you're making your ilium go backwards so that the lumbar spine is flattened. Now you want to bring this leg down, but do not let go of the tuck, because if you let go of the tuck, the lumbar spine is going to arch too much, and that could be not pleasant for you. And keeping this tucked also stretches just the isolated stretch of the psoas and quads. You're getting some quad stretch too. So you're going to hold this position for about 2 minutes minimum. 2 to 5 minutes is when the fascia releases, and you stay there. Now you can come back to the other side of the table. Same thing, bring this leg down. Well, first you got to tilt your pelvis and hold that tilt so that the lumbar spine is flattened, and then you're going to put the leg down, but make sure you're staying tilted back and maintain that stretch for about 2 to 5 minutes. Okay, now come back up. Now go back to the center, and you're going to end this series with the same exercise that you did in the beginning as a warm-up. This is a cool down now. So I want you to inhale and exhale and bring the legs down. Inhale, come up. Exhale and come down. You're going to do 5 of those. Inhale, exhale and come down. Inhale, exhale and come down. That was 4. 1 more. Inhale and exhale and come down. And there you go. You're all done with the low back series. Thank you for watching.